wish for the world is, when people get in trouble, people are there to save them.
My wish is for my brother to walk and talk so I can have fun with him.
My wish for the world is for people to stop being greedy and be happy what they already have. My wish for the world is people to have water and food so they don't die.
My wish for the world is so that that plastic decreases on single use and animals can live safely in the ocean.
My wish for the world is for there to be less pollution.
My wish for the world is to make sure no plastic goes in the water so none of the animals can die. My wish for the world is for children in the world who don't have food or drink to help themselves so they don't have to starve.
My wish for the world is for everybody to have a home and no one be lonely.
My wish for the world is for people to help decrease the pollution.
My wish for the world is for everyone to have food and drinks, especially for those who haven't got as much as us.
My wish for the world is for everybody to have a good education.
My wish for the world is that every animal has home, food and some fun.
My wish for the world is for everyone to have a friend when they're lonely and to play with.
My wish for the world is for parents to have more time off with their children. My wish for the world is to make everybody happy. My wish for the world is to depollute it and to make it a greener and greater place to live.
My wish for the world is for nobody to ever be unhappy and for everybody to have friends and family and for everybody to have a home.
My wish for the world is that for everyone to have food, drink, and that all wars to stop. Because if we get good lives, everyone else should as well.